Hello everyone, welcome to Motor Minded. Today we're diving into the brand new 2025 Nissan Patrol Platinum, the flagship of Nissan's full-size SUV lineup. With a bold redesign, twin-turbo V6 power, ultra-luxe cabin, and rugged off-road capability, the Patrol Platinum aims to conquer both the urban jungle and the open desert. Over the next 20 minutes, we'll explore its standout features in four main areas: performance, design, interior, and technology. Let's roll. The 2025 Patrol Platinum introduces Nissan's bold presence design language. It's 35mm longer and wider than before, measuring approximately 5.205 m long and 2.03 m wide, while the wheelbase remains at 3.075 m at the front. An imposing V-motion grille with chrome accents commands attention, flanked by signature double-C LED headlights that give the Patrol its distinct face. The floating roof look is enhanced by blacked-out C and D pillars and rising window line. At the back, sleek full-width LED light bars pair with vertical tail lamps and an athletic bumper finish. Step inside and you'll instantly notice premium touches: quilted leather seats, real wood trim, soft touch dash, all paying homage to Japanese craftsmanship including Kumiko patterns. The Platinum trim features zero-gravity front seats with Japanese-inspired details and high-density foams. The Patrol seats 8 across 3 rows. The Easy Flex second row allows slide and recline, while the third row folds at the push of a button. Cargo capacity jumps 30% over the old model, plus extra nooks like a 9-liter combined glove and console box. The latest Patrol debuts Nissan Connect 2.0 with full Google integration, Google Maps, Assistant, live traffic all built in. A massive 28.6-inch monolith display, split into two 14.3-inch screens, manages instrument cluster and infotainment. Rear passengers get dual 12.8-inch entertainment screens supporting Miracast, HDMI, USB. Heads-up display projects key info on the windshield. Tri-zone climate includes segment-first infrared biometric cooling, sensing skin temperature and directing airflow accordingly. The Platinum seats are heated, ventilated, and massage-enabled for both front occupants. And for the first time in a Patrol, a panoramic sunroof bathes the cabin in light. A 12-speaker Klipsch system with 3D surround, dynamic audio reveal, delivers immersive sound throughout. A reinforced body structure and multiple airbags, front, side, curtain, and knee, combine for top-tier occupant protection. Under the hood are two V6 choices. The base, naturally aspirated 3.8L V6 produces 316 horsepower and 386 Nm torque, delivering around 9.7 km per liter fuel economy. The flagship twin-turbo 3.5L V6 churns out 425 horsepower and a mighty 700 Nm torque, up 7% power and 25% torque over the old V8. Both pair with a silky 9-speed automatic gearbox, channeling power through full-time 4WD with a novel 4WD transfer mode interlock system unique to this generation. Adaptive air suspension with E-dampers adjusts automatically or manually, raising ride height by up to 70 mm in off-road mode, improving both comfort and clearance. Tackle terrains from sand to rock with 6 drive modes: standard, sand, mud/rut, rock, eco, and sport. Wading depth reaches an impressive 700 mm. Real-world fuel use averages 8.9 km per liter, well improved over the V8's 5 km/L. Even though Nissan claims 10.1 km per liter, ProPilot Assist combines lane keep, adaptive cruise, and traffic jam assist for semi-autonomous highway driving. A 360-degree around view monitor, blind spot alerts, and rear cross-traffic notification round out the visuals. At the front, an imposing V-motion grille with chrome accents commands attention, flanked by signature double-C LED headlights that give the Patrol its distinct face. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below. What do you think of Nissan's bold new Patrol? Until next time, I'm driving the extraordinary.